Ambassadors, we are Astrobots.
For this video, we are here to tell you all about our prototype's features, how it works, and its importance. But before we start, let us introduce ourselves.
Language barriers can lead to miscommunication, which can be particularly problematic for our politicians when they attend overseas meetings. In addition to leading to misunderstandings, it can also result in poor decision-making. Our goal is to assist politicians in communicating more effectively and making wise decisions.
The methodology involved forming cylindrical robot body, assembling parts like screen, speaker, buttons, and keypad. The research design focused on addressing issues and preventing conflicts. The assembly process involved rolling cardboard, painting, attaching wheels, and hot gluing wires. The keypad was also added to the body.
The preferred input and output languages are selectable by the user. When translating the data in discussion, the user can choose the level of confidentiality. Depending on the level of confidentiality, the translated data may be saved. Access rights are necessary for confidential information. The public is not obliged to do so.
Our group talked about reducing the size to a more convenient design. This reduces the hassle for our users. Language barrier is one of the reasons of miscommunications. Our prototype's objectives is to assist politicians into better communication and good decision making.